What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix application not opening because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. So first you need to click on the Windows button and then you need to open appwiz.cpl. After that, you just simply need to click on this control panel item, and after clicking here, a small pop-up window will open. From here, you need to find the C++. Here, as you can see, this is the Microsoft Visual C++. So just simply right click on it and after that click on change. After clicking on change here in the new pop-up window, simply click on repair and then repair this file. And after that, this will ask you to restart. Just simply restart it. I currently don't want to repair it because I am fine with all my browsers. There's no such issue. I'm telling you just for your issue. So I'll just right click on this another x86 file and then you can just simply click on change and repair it too. And after repairing both of these files, if it still doesn't work, you just simply need to head over to your Google Chrome here. Here, as you can see, this is the Google Chrome. Simply right click on it and then you just need to see the option of uninstall. Simply click on this uninstall and after that, this will show you a pop-up to change the application. Simply click on yes and then it will ask you to if you want to delete your browsing data. So if you want to, you can do it. But if you don't want to, you can keep that checkbox unchecked. And after that, click on uninstall. And after uninstalling, your Chrome browser will be uninstalled. After uninstalling the Chrome browser, simply head over to any of the browser. I'm choosing Microsoft Edge. Just simply type in CHROME Chrome, download for Windows. And after that, here just simply hit enter. And then this will show you the link to download the Chrome for Windows. Here, as you can see, this is the link to download the Chrome on your Windows. The first link of Google Chrome, download the Google Chrome browser in any of your Windows. Simply click on it and then you will see the option to download your Google Chrome. Simply download Google Chrome in your particular Windows application and this will solve your issue. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.